Wouldn't it be amazing if you are playing games and you're getting paid for that? Now, we both know that if you are a gamer, you have played this game, or maybe also this game, or even the most popular one among the teenager, this one, Fortnite. Now, why don't you think about getting paid to do that? Like, you are already playing the game, you having fun doing that. Now, you might as well make money by doing that as well. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $9 for a game you test. All right, now these gonna be so many games in this website that I'm just gonna show you in just a second, so look out for that. And I'm just gonna show you everything step by step. I'm also gonna show you how you can also get paid from that. All right, now without further ado, let's start with the video. But before that, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the people who showed support in the last video. If you haven't subscribed already, we basically have more than 80% of people who watch my videos, they haven't subscribed. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, because we talk about how to make money online and all of that good stuff. Also, make sure to turn the notification on so you get notified whenever I release new video, and because I'm also doing so many giveaways in the future. And also, if you guys haven't liked, make sure to like. Now, without further ado, let's start with the video. Now, the website that we need to go to, it's called Playtest Cloud. Now, this is the one we are going to test in this video and show you guys how you basically gonna make money. So it says makes games that player love. So you are going to test games, bunch of video games, and you're gonna get paid for that. Now, it basically says this is how it works. You set up playtest in less than 5 minutes. We let the right target audience test your game. Oh, this is about the developers of the game. It's not about the gamers. So this is how it works for them. But if you want to test these games, all you have to do is become a tester. You're gonna click that, and then you are gonna come into this page. Basically, this is the page where you are going to sign up. All right, it says sign up below if you are eligible. We'll send you a qualification test. The qualification test is unpaid. It teaches you how to play test. If you fail with the qualification test, don't worry, you can retake the test. So basically, this basically means they are going to test if you are a gamer or not. Most probably it is very easy test, and you are gonna get passed through that. Usually and the best part about this, you can do it anywhere. And also the best part about that as well, it is that whenever you are qualified for that, you are gonna get tested. They're gonna send you a bunch of games, and you are gonna play those games and win money. So this is what you have to do. Basically, you have to enter your email in here, and then you have to enter your full name. And then this is the thing that is very important in order for you to get accepted, is which games do you like to play at least weekly. So whenever you're saying this, so you have to say about a game that is popular. All right, now if you just say a game that is, for example, let me think about a game, something I like Flappy Bird. All right, this is a really old game that has been in the popular in the old. So if you basically say something like Flappy Bird, that they may not be able to accept you, but what you have to say is for example, you have to say Call of Duty, because it's a very, very entertaining game. That's one thing. And the other thing, it is very competitive game. All right, that means challenging. So, and also Fortnite and all of these battle royale games, if you say them, then they might accept. Also, if these games on iOS and Android, if you say them, they also going to accept you. All right, that's the first point that I want to clear out. And the second thing is your game devices. All right, this is the one also that you need to tick, which is, are you into the iOS or the Android, or maybe the others? So most probably you play games on the computer, right, with microphone, but you can also select if you play on the, what is it called, on the iOS and Android. That's another thing. So these are not something that is you have to do exactly. Maybe you can also say Xbox One, PlayStation 4 if you do that as well. And you can also say, do you play on Android? That's another thing. Now here is what you have to say. Basically the countries, basically this is available worldwide. All right, now you have to choose your country you live in. It's not where you're from, it's basically where you live in. If you live anywhere, then you have to select that. And here is the way, one thing that you also need to do. This is your gender, if you're female or male, and then your birthday, where it's gonna be your birthday basically. And if you want to receive email monthly news from them, you can also take that. And also you have to agree to the terms and condition. Now the other thing what you have to read about before you signing up is you have to read about these stuff. All right, now so that you get to know how you are going to get paid from this, and also how this works out for you as well. Now this is what you have to read. Let me just open the one that that you probably want to know, which is going to be how you're going to get paid, and also the device you're going to play with. All right, now where is it? Okay, so here, okay, yeah, how do I become? Okay, yeah, you don't have to click them, sorry for that. So this is the one that you need to take see and look at, where how much money would you be earning, which is this the one that I wanted to show you guys. The reward payment for each playtest can vary depending on the task required during the playtest. So basically they are just saying it depends on the game you are testing, but here is it, 9 USD. All right, we also make payments in GBP, which is the UK pound. Okay, now this is the one that you need to focus on, because they are going to pay you for $9 per game you test. And basically this game you're going to test is not going to be something very hard for you. Like you don't have to complete levels of games, or maybe you don't have to complete the entire game to win. So you can play for 1 hour and you're gonna get paid for that. Even sometimes if you play for 15 minutes, all right, you're gonna get paid for that. So this is something very interesting that you need to look at as well. Now this is all you need to know to test games. I'm basically gonna do more videos about this, and I'm gonna show you the results on that very soon. And I hope you guys like this video, and also make sure, if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe to this channel, and also make sure to like this video. And also if you guys are looking to start online business and you want to make full-time income online, the first link in my description, that's the link you need to click. And I'm going to show you my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.